how to backup your MacBook. Now first you want to connect your external hard drive to the MacBook. So here I'm using the USB adapter to connect it to my MacBook here. And on the MacBook you want to click on the Apple icon. Then we go down and click on System Settings. Now in here you want to click on General. Then we'll go to the right hand panel and scroll down and click on Time Machine. Now make sure on your computer you already detect the external hard drive. So here I've got the external hard drive shown on my MacBook here. Then in Time Machine you want to click on Add Backup Disk. Okay, so we click on that and then we choose the external hard disk drive and click on Setup Disk. Here you can choose whether you want to encrypt the backup or not. I will keep it simple, so I will turn off encryption. And here you can set a disk usage limit or set it to none and click on Done. Alright, now it is preparing the hard drive. Okay, shortly you can see the hard drive have been now prepared as a backup device. It will show the backup icon, and over here you can see it will show backup in the next 1 minute. Here you can click on Options and you can set your device to backup every hour, every day or every week. So here I will set it to every day, or you can choose every hour. And down here is the option to add in any additional hard drive that you have. Now because I do not have any more, you can also set exclusion, what to exclude from the backup. Alright, and then tap on Done. And here you can add up from here you can add in another external device. Now if you press on the control button, we can also choose backup now from the pop-up. And this is how you can backup your MacBook to the external hard drive. Thank you for watching this video.